dalam tempat agiyum decision making bodies. Nung yakbangsür 드슬력 대신 하게 됐어요. 이와 이모자를 꼬마 그치와 꼬마가 스페이스 그레이트 아스노 드슬nya 실험하게 됐어요. 그치 스텝 아기노 드슬nya 달리 두부로 올라와 실험하게 됐어요. 이빠지 프랙티컬 니 testimony ang may ba sino asal ni mulai iba dan sampai jadi orang tak sangat tidak awas dari kita decision making akadang half of the population Malay au senden dia au senden au tepur senden dia dapat sebab buat apa kejualan orang semua kena orang keciba nakapuh dasar ialah tercemar dasar asno peculiar nakano kamu aja very peculiar the poor perspective no dan penuh dia sebab faceless decision akibat terlalu faceless decision dah sebabnya orang makatsedang mangasidang Mungdang, surname, Mokokchung, the great asal. Asal, awalnya mana mai lah, LGBTQ, nang jembiba masuk. Mungdang, mana punjik belidang, mana begitu kumaya kar, betul, sangat temenan muci apa, mana faceless. Image asal great asal, faceless image. Iba si great seram, penuh tu itu. Dah semua macam orang tisel, dah sedia. Yang tenungsi kudang minukang silam makitas. But you create a faceless image. That's the matter. Yang macam saja, Mokokchung, agütsür, emotion, saja. That's the matter. Administration yang. Iwa faceless creation, very peculiar culture. Ni encounters very difficult to change. Ni Taiwan orang terjadi. Yang dia will to change. Asal apa mai? Pernah 23 tribes here. 23 tribes. Ada di website no, by one tribe in Lebanon. First born child is very important. the poor first born child is the head of the family. Aliyah, lungsun na by alamse the poor family tinggal jamu the kandakas the poor da kajamale panjaya yang tenaga mungkin baru bisa makan. By one more ini apa ya? Tamar trek na jumza. That's good. Taiwan government. By one more ini apa maje? The first born child maje silacang. That's imtak iyak sang siapa dia itu doang. That's what you all accepted. Our the Machias, government Yaya Sangaj, Mamaz. Because our culture is still centered on head hunting. I don't know, dear guys, head hunting culture. We are not willing to change. Culture is not fixed. Culture is culture is to be changed. Faceless, that's what we FTEAP, Theological Education, Foundation for Theological Education in Asia and Pacific. This foundation is China, US, pressure Chinese company million foundation will contribute as the other. I heard Asia Pacific theological education colleges foundation Georgia US registers her Iba Singapore ni China ay benamor. Kudang ni asano our China number la kuji within there. I feel very strange. Kudang nakalindi around there, around there, pastor. That's it. That's how Mali. Mokokchung. Daji. Orang jembiba juga Bangladesh, China nung pastor aku agütsür mau tu, dah jembiba. Korea pastor yang terkenal, cuma yang terkenal agütsür ramai dah jembiba. Can men also do like women? Ilagi mo tupuri agütsür lebih tupur orang pastor yang terkenal. Women can do better pastoral job, but we have created a faceless structure. Unless we dismantle this faceless structure, which is based on injustice, based on inequality, as no society yang lain saja. That's yang tak cuma yang sebab lemah air dia we just block the way. That's why dia asal dia ada di middle school hormone walida asal that's macam buat master appointment senda. Jaga jenda top iba mau dia orang asal kita ni bagi tidak master yang terserah. About 50 years ago or 50 years ago tidak master yang terserah. Dah jadi kain dulu aja berjalan. Sekitar orang aja pamer master ni sewa ni ya, ayat tidak so ya, akadang master semua amra so ya. Jadi ni yang macam master yang baik aja pamer sewa je, macam baik orang tu. But change. Agütsür yang tajam pasal orang. Tupuria masaya na in 50 years it is changed. That's why we need to have courage to to change. 이바지가 내려갔어요. 그냥 changes 아이가랑 아루고 아루다기 달리사 Christianity 아루글은 아시아글은 modern administrative structure British umaro wajaga 아이가랑 말레이시아가기 말레이시즈 아시노기 뜻보름이 녹사용화 뜻을 미약용화 it will be changed. 사각 둥디방 디바에 women should also come up, you liberate yourself from the inferior consciousness. Betrakia, this is an advantage. You enjoy the advantage. Aloktinum, Lenisela, Uchumbia, Asisa, the Malamasa. A lot of thinking is needed. Look, they can't give this away. I don't get the book, that's in Zuba. I don't get we need to a feeling of subordination. Ibano Jagasano, Malaysia. Ni Yangmu City Sabang YSS Dajar, Ibano J, Aroku, Aser, Tanga, Tidiba, Sitano, Laisha, I cannot debate as one of the this one is our million, a certain article. I cannot know one castle, similar to even Sitapan one. The carry is either Majapu, Gurdon, the Martin Maliwaja, why is this known? Debate as about the Columbia. Kagata, tenant, or that's what we did. That's to me. She never gets about it's more. Zulus, Gadagay, say, you have force. Sir, you have force. Name Samuro. I pass away with it no more. Good deep with it no more. We are the third about you are not willing to express yourself. If you are not willing to express, how can you get a space? Yakbangsür na anitete. Testimony. How I need what I have achieved today. Nia manang semua filmer. Nia immuno kebu master jeff. Pisto mamono and the girl mamono national school maleba iba je yuto wa jenawa numia tanale. Iba nungi kebu jenao uno ba yendaki Senelo, Genalo, Uzerne, that's it, Zamato, school, Tamajo Tipa, I'm looking my school, Tamajo Tipa 00, not to result. You don't pass it. You don't pass it. Come. Cluster pass asibat da shinungji ni newspaper ya muna. I have not seen newspaper. Lanur jimna dasir atok payang tarakanli aruli da iba jinang fuji. English Urim kada ni mejembe. Kan jembino. What is your name? Rashizu no. Name is no. What is your name? That's no. Cluster passes. I was one of the first to become an occupy an executive position in the international articles. And I have written 52 books, articles, and Aonu edition 52. My name last one is Modoge. How can I write this much? I am wondering myself. Seminar this high word as me ni transforms this high word Metamer the dear this high word answer. Mesam Mupano is seminar the out. Johar the Malonda Yellow training and was in the lower tuner and one another and was nado. It was so painful. Yamachi lower glen seminar in church azam lecture Johnsele Indian no think Tiano wisdom there is seminar Pyongji Ujangata, which will be other. Alright? Seminar the order sentence that which will be the Atobaya, Kana Chashishana Johar. That's the Chashiva. I accidentally took a ball. That heard Dr. Rudy Kaiser. I think that this hour, Columbia. Ayashi. Na aji ujilaya mana mama kanu wasa nana otak next ujian na article ka na bisa ka kajenger wong da somna na agütsür da au opportunity au next meeting mujibo subject I was able to articulate, understand, in debate on the floor. I was able to draw the attention of the participant. Attention. That is a very point that you are able to draw the attention. Meeting kanung tener, senai handover, mabangai handover. If you are not able to express yourself and then able to draw the attention of the people, Shive Yakang Shilmakis Nenamakasa Na Yakang decision making perspective point that you must protect yourself in the court. Jembiba, Dr. Jembiba, I never forget. Ano, ni Jembiba ya, I said, I think one day you can become somebody. But you are young, nobody will invite you. Ni idea actually. That's why I say, put down international, national, team card, issue card, seminar, no adult. That's there. Now, article, kakak, cards, around like article, no types around, your publishing, now you have. Angi memisiwa text yoga. That's it. That's the new Yamaji. This was about 1991. Canberra Assembly, World Council of Churches, no? The speaker, the article of the Lord, Yoga. That's a good conference. I don't know. Speaker to murmur, one of Pusher, so the people who live on you can come. I received your paper. Can you come and present that one? That's what. Yes, I did. I myself become an invited person. You have to sell yourself. I was invited once in Kenya, Nairobi, Korea, just because I give my paper. That's what. If I did I become a resource person in many countries. Also, the WCC in 2001 consultant chance you are only Geneva on that Hong Kong, Thailand, Indonesian, what is now academic? Nungi atu ko daje na bo mabang travel academic nungi na atu ko daje na bo nai jembiba ya very academic na international ecumenical world leader you should become a generalist. That's a generalist. Issue can not focus on I can focus on that. HIV/AIDS, HIV, disability issue, issue, climate justice, ecological concern. You read books, and then you must have an in-depth general knowledge of all the issues. I was theological education focus on that, but I will give it mine. I need issue I don't global issue general knowledge. You have to contribute. That's why. Number one, you must have courage, you must have knowledge, you must have experience, you must have overall knowledge. Yakbangsür 실은 당할이 안만 뜻이사 당할 액체가스이사 당할이 타오 yes 다 기술다 무슨 말이지 international seminar national seminar organized 대체에서 너무 Mokokchung the aside I always encounter 3 types of participants Telok I telok nung zizir. Ya kamar uti. Keja preparation mali tazma. Keja mali. Udang arur ciumur belakang leader kanaman kamu tungnuan kamar waduk nothing contribution. Question nasama iba meaning ya iba yang water that's part. Iba la telok dia ay benajo. Telok sightseeing na senza. Misumudad sightseeing, misalnya shopping. Iba jelas telok check, back sick no answer, this is nothing, no contribution. Come mere chunk, the church here, general is into what to get a level over meeting no one, when I spin out to know what how can you trust those people? Next step, the Namjia another more of the bottle. The local here, they came to contribute. They came to contribute in share their perspective on the issue. And you part of the Marutame, Kakatzimer, and debates, Mamaksha, Amanzi, Mamaksha power, to contribute, to enrich the conference, and then to go back. You probably know Kirilla number around that, the conference is very enriching. Could you know? Notice lose for the I point Kata, Janida, Tumulong, no Mama, there are people who get a shamro, Dano Aja, seated. We are not able to articulate on the national and international issues. Yakbangsür, that's what it is. Unless you know, unless you are prepared, who will respect you? To who you are present, only when you are able to contribute, you are prepared, you can do something. That's why that's not the That's why you have to sell yourself. Tamari Pushya Arutzasno. This is what I was in the Naka village, Shilamagasu, way one of the no. Our citizens need to be reorganized. The poor gets the number, a limited more. That's the poor Ajak, Onük. Yamsuja, Ajak, Adam, Malaysia, or Asnova. Mabakan, the Malaysia order, and Asno. How do we prepare Yakbangsür agütsür different fields of study? Imagine US no, that's president contest US Korea. Many changes are taking place. This is a vote as but now they are able to contest, and I'm sure next time it will be a woman. Liberal society as well. This is more of election. This is another candidate as well. Malik, all the organizations are controlled by men. Young society mindset. Are we willing to change our structure? Structure to change are women also prepared to give your perspective in the Loti Sabha? Doktinung jembiba na shilam na Doktinung na shilam jembiba na ajak nurse na ajak watches. Asal kau yang nurse saja. Kenapa tangan sebenarnya repeat asal cuma organize masa caca awal. Bila kau yang ini terproses. Di meeting ayah ada English American number, England number as well. Orang people know. Chung was Lord. Precise to the point. 사실이야, 아장아장아. 그런 거 하시고. 있잖아, 말이. 부럽잖아, 사나디에. 준비디에. 사나디에 나서 준비디에. 당아리, 나오미프. 이런 것이지. 공통, 그거, that's one to one depend on your this one speak but or this part of no pushing this longer no pushing this no you express your opinion, agree or not agree, leave it, but make the point clear.